Meet the JBL Live Buds 4. We'll show you all the key features. Let's jump right in. Inside the box, you'll find the smart charging case with the JBL Live Buds 4, extra ear tips in different sizes, and the quick start guide. Try the different ear tips to find the fit that feels best and gives you the best sound. Before you start listening, you'll need to connect the earbuds via Bluetooth. Hold the button on the back of the charging case for 2 seconds, or plug the case into a power outlet for 2 seconds. Place the earbuds in the case and look for the blue LEDs blinking on each earbud. That means they're ready to pair. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device. Select JBL Live Buds 4. Tap to connect, and you're ready to go. With IP55 splash and dust resistance, your earbuds are ready for life on the go. If you ever need to reset your earbuds, take them out of the charging case and place them in your ears. Tap the earbud twice and then tap and hold for 5 seconds. To restart the smart charging case, simply press and hold the button on the back for 10 seconds. Once connected, controlling your music is simple. 1 tap to play or pause, 2 taps to skip a track, 3 taps to go back. The smart charging case gives you even more control. Press the button to wake the screen, then swipe through functions and tap to explore playback, volume, ambient sound, tools, and case settings right from the display. For even more control, scan the QR code and open the JBL Headphones app. In the app, you can personalize your sound, adjust controls, check your fit, and explore extra features like voice aware. You can also manage smart charging case settings right from the app. Running low on power? When it's time to recharge, use a USB-C cable to charge the case, or charge it wirelessly. A full charge takes about 2 hours and gives you up to 40 hours of total playtime. Need power fast? A quick 10-minute charge gives you up to 4 hours of playtime. That's it! You're all set. Enjoy your JBL Live Buds 4 wherever you go.